parrot. It's first time I have a parrot in Thailand on my shoulder. So it's pretty amazing. I don't know why it does that.
A new animal for your home?
No. I have no need for animals in my home. Like protecting the dog is one thing. You want water? Last time he drank. No, don't eat my camera. It's not healthy for you.